Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to work photos in Photopea. Let's begin. Go to File, Open and Place and select your image. So Transform Control, Edit tab, again Transform, Warp and Warp Image. That's it. Again thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.